Hi Monica, how are you doing?
I'm good. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, good.
How are you spending your time at home?
Spending time. Yeah, now placements are going on, so doing those practice and semester stuff, and then assignments. Doing those only the day will go.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
And I like to ask you one question, like why you have chosen Geetam?
Okay. This was actually unexpected.
Unexpected.
Joining Geetam was not planned. I thought I didn't think of any college actually, but joining Geetam also was not planned. But finally got into. I don't know.
Yeah. You're ECE student, right? How was your experience in this Geetam campus?
As an EC student in Geetam, and I mean, don't take this personal, but more than CSC, I like EC because personally I like physics. So physics is the base for EC, electronics and communication. So I like EC, and the teachers, faculty, and all are like good enough to teach whatever doubts or whatever. Uh, so I mean, like the concepts we required through the subject and all. So yeah, it was good. It is
That's
good,
good.
going on good.
Yeah. And since 4 years you are studying in Geetam, right? What you gonna miss in this campus?
Pardon? Sorry? What you?
From past 4 years you are studying in this Geetam campus. So what you gonna miss in this college
Miss?
life?
Yeah, missing was I was actually an NCC cadet, but I
Oh,
couldn't
that's
write
good.
my uh, B certificate or C certificate. So because of Corona and all, so I miss that mostly.
That's so sad.
Yeah.
As in, within a few days, you're gonna leave this campus, right? So, are you feeling like too glad or excited or something like sad?
I mean, it's a mixed emotion because I am actually because we didn't spend so much of time in college because of this
Yeah.
2 years of pandemic. We didn't spend, so maybe it might be sad. It might be exciting that we got placed in few companies, and the new journey is gonna start next. And also happy because we are getting graduated. So
That's good. And then, when it comes to your career, first of all, I'd like to congratulate you that you are got placed in DXC company. And what is the secret behind this success? And how would you crack those interviews? Can you tell us?
secret, not, no secret actually. This DXC was the first company, so
Yeah.
which came, and it was a bulk recruiter. So while asking the questions, also they were all like medium uh, based, not too hard, not too easy. So if you have prepared for some level, like a hardest level, you will crack it. Like if you
Understand.
think, obviously, so if you think it would be hard because it was first company, obviously everyone will prepare well, with that scared, like we should,
Hmm.
will I get placed or no. So with that, it will happen. So to that extent you will learn more, and you start doing all different kinds of gymnastics, learning different kinds of subjects and all. So yeah, you will end up cracking it, pakkad, I'm sure. That's not a big deal, I feel. But while studying, you should give full effort. That's all.
Yeah, that's good. Then, do you feel any regrets like you got placed in your dream company like that, something like that?
Not yet. Still, placements are going on, so I think I might get my dream company. No regrets as
So
of now.
you're still trying.
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, I'm still trying.
And what is the common mistake that everyone tends to do when they sit for placement, in your point of view?
Common mistake. I don't know. Maybe less preparation. Maybe I don't know.
Let's preparation.
Yeah, because if you, as an EC student, where the drawback was coding actually.
Yeah.
So coding, we are not that good at coding. We know MATLAB coding or whatever with these EC subjects, but not these programming languages like C, C++ and all. As though we had C in the starting first year, we only studied the subjective part, not the practical programming, hands-on coding and all. So that would actually give a regret that we didn't take CSC at that point of time. But when we get cracked and placed in some company, there's some software company, MNC, then we'll be like, yeah, we are also good at something, other than our stream.
That's good. Like some are saying like that. Some are saying that once we crack the written exam, other rounds would go in flow. What you will say about this? Is it true or something?
Okay, about this, it depends on the company, I guess, because they will mention in the company's description, job description only, that or the company exam written test rules that the first round will be elimination round. So if you crack the first round, then that will go in a flow, as you said. But few companies will have every round as an elimination round until you crack the last but one, not the HR interview, but before round. That is
Yeah.
what might be technical or something. So it depends on the company actually. It goes on with the levels.
Like when did you start the preparation? And what you would like to suggest for all of us before getting into a phase of placement?
So since you're CSC, I think you will be practicing coding from the starting day, like from the start of the
Yeah.
your course, engineering course. But if it is regarding ECE, like since I am ECE, from the day one you have to start practicing at least one program a day, coding, at least learn coding, like hands-on coding, so that you will be perfect at the end, like at least seventh semester, I mean sixth semester, right? Yeah, so sixth semester you'll be perfect with coding. EC for EC, and CSC is as usual, you are good at coding, so just go on practicing well. That's all. Yeah, so
Then how happy you are with
no,
yeah.
what I would like to tell is CSC people are actually eligible for big sort of companies, because you have that foundation, 4 years ka foundation of coding. So you're
Yeah.
the you get good opportunities. You will actually
I,
for highest packages and all in software. Yeah.
I need to try that. Then how happy you are with the placement opportunity you have got from Geetam Bangalore?
Yeah, opportunities they're giving a lot of opportunities. Opportunities are so many, but cracking them is what is our task.
Yeah.
So it falls on our head when we obviously it is an individual. Obviously from the young age we are getting marks, but we individual studying is what we are representing there and getting marks, right? So that's what is this also. You, how much you study, how much you gain knowledge, how much you practice for placements, you will get it. That that level of package you will get, to be frank.
Yeah. Anything you need, you have, you would like to suggest for your juniors from your side?
Just juniors, you study well, enjoy also. No, always study.
What to enjoy in this pandemic?
No, that's true. But okay, since our 2 years went off, but you guys have fourth year, which is not in pandemic. Though the last year will be good, because now we don't have pandemic. Maybe next month or before that we might once of the college gets started. So enjoy at least the fourth year. At the same time, study and get placed. Concentrate on studies also. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually
Fine.
I mean, like, you guys know more than us actually. You are the next day kind of a next below, younger than us, so you might know well. Yeah.
Finally, how you are feeling like how was your journey in the Geetam as a student to an achiever?
Okay, so Journey in Geetam was good. It was good. It was I gained so much of knowledge. I gained so much of you know what we say, spent good time. Teachers also spent good time with teachers also, and yeah, a few teachers are there where we miss them actually. Faculty, yeah.
Then, apart from academics, would you like to suggest anything for us apart from academics?
Apart from academics, yeah, we didn't have, due to pandemic, we didn't have few, those what we say, co-curriculars, more like Prerana fests only we had
Yeah.
last year. After that, we didn't have any enjoyment stuff. So enjoying is more important. So than academics, I feel, because that is where we get refreshed, and we can concentrate also on academics after we have good cool mind after enjoying and going to cafes with friends, gangs, and all. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sis. And from my side, all the best for your future. Thank
Thank
you.
you.